welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Samantha Brand and this is obviously my YouTube channel. Today I'm finally redoing a video that I shot last week. Sadly and very frustratingly, I lost 8 files, so I had to redo the video, which is today's video, which is a full face using only Dollar Tree makeup. I did a Dollar Tree shopping spree video, which I'll link up here, and that was pretty awesome. I showed every single thing that I bought, and today I'm going to be using most of the products, and this is the final look that I was able to create. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's get right into it. So I'm starting off with a clean, clear face. This is my Natural Beauty, and I'm going to put on this retinol spa treatment mask. The last time I used the collagen one. This one is an anti-aging serum. It's supposed to help minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and delay effects of skin aging. I think we all need this in our lives. So slimy, it's so slimy. 15 minutes, keep this baby on, and then wash it all off. Three, two, one. Cool, so that's finished. It feels very tingly. I'm not sure if it's supposed to feel that way. It's tingling around my eyes very slightly and over here a little bit. I'm quickly gonna go wash all of this gel off and then I'll be right back. So I didn't come back with an orange, green or red face, which is really good. I'm glad about that. I don't have rashes or anything and I'm not feeling any other type of weird sensations, so that's good. So I'm gonna start off with a tape I showed you guys. I'm gonna break a small piece off and then put it next to my eye so that when I use the eyeshadow or liquid liner, it creates a nice line. Using my large eyeshadow brush and the smoky palette, I'm going to go in with a little bit of this brown on the outer corners of my eyes. I'm going to go in slightly with it as well on my crease line. I'm going to put a little bit of the black on the outer corners. Using my crease brush, you'll see me blend almost every time after putting on any eyeshadows just to make sure that they look even. With my small eyeshadow brush, I'm going to use a little bit of the light brown on my crease line and just slightly above it. I'm going to use my yellow concealer on the inner corners of my eyes and a little bit in the middle so that I can create a base for my shimmering loose eyeshadow. And I'm going to be applying this with the angled liner brush. It's much easier than using the brush that's inside, trust me. So in my Dollar Tree shopping spree video that I did, I mentioned that this eyeshadow only goes till here, but I lied, I was incorrect, I was wrong. It does go to the top, but the little funnel part that I showed you blocks more of it from actually being inside here. I am going to be full of glitter when I'm done here. This glitter is so pretty. I actually went back and bought another one, a white one, and I believe they've got a purple and a pink as well. I'm probably going to go back and buy that one as well. On top of that eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with this glitter single from Wet n Wild. This is mixed with like a jelly substance, so it's not as pigmented as this gold. Okay, the first time I did this video, I used those big fat black lashes that I showed you, and I didn't like it at all. So this time I'm going to try the Wet n Wild ones. I think the glue inside that one was old, something like that, and it didn't work, and it was maybe enough for one eyelash. Then I started using this glue. I don't like this glue at all either. So this glue is like a water. It is so difficult to work with. I don't know, it takes years and years to dry. What I learned from the first time doing this video and what I'm going to be doing differently now, the last time I did my wing liner first and perfected my eyeshadow and all of that, I ended up putting the lashes on and it completely messed up my wing liner. It messed up my eyeshadow, the gold, everything. So this time I'm going to attempt to do the lashes first and then do any touch-ups that's necessary. I struggled my butt off trying to get those lashes on. Wish me luck with this glue, because I promise you it's a nightmare. Oh, I had such a headache the last time. These lashes are extremely flimsy, so I think I'm going to struggle a little bit, but hopefully not. There's no way that you can have control over this unless you're professional, and I'm not. As you can see, I don't have any lashes on. I tried doing it twice and I was like, no. I see a replay of me trying to do it like the last time. It's so thin and flimsy, there's no control, or at least I can't control it. I even tried cutting it up and doing like section by section. So I'm rather going to struggle putting mascara on. Okay, so in my shopping spree video that I did, I showed you a mascara that I didn't like at all, and I was able to swap it for another one from Dollar Tree, which I also didn't like, and I used that one in the video with the files that I lost. And now I'm trying a third mascara from Dollar Tree. I think this one's also not going to be that great. The mascaras are very dry. I don't understand it. But I went and put like 3 drops of water in this, because obviously I didn't buy anything from Dollar Tree that could maybe help thin this out a bit or make it watery, not so dry. So I put about 3-4 drops of water in here, and I'm going to see if that helps. Now I'm just going to try and build the mascara on to make my lashes stand out a bit more. So I've put 2 layers of mascara on. I'm going to leave it and let it dry for a little bit, and then do my wing liner still on. And then I'll put another coat on, let it dry a little bit, put another coat on, and then hopefully build it up a bit, because it does look quite thin at the moment. In the video that I attempted to do the first time, I used the LA Colors liquid liner. Today I'm going to try the e.l.f. liquid liner. That one that I used, it had this piece on it that was sort of sticking out. I don't think this one doesn't have it. It was like sticking out and was messing up the wing liner as I was trying to do it. So hopefully this one does work a bit better. I believe I have these equal. Hopefully I do. I'm definitely not a wing liner specialist. I never do it. I don't think it suits me too well. So I don't know why I'm doing it in this video. I guess to just show you how this product works. Hopefully it looks okay once I'm done. I'm going to quickly do another layer of the mascara. I'm going to go in with a little bit of this brown on my crease line. Then I'm going to use the large eyeshadow brush with a little bit of the black again. And then just blend that out with my crease brush. I'm going to put a little bit of the gold back. I'm going to use the white and apply it just under my brows, and hopefully also blend out these harsh lines. When I did this video the first time and I took the tape off, it took the wing liner with, so I'm hoping it doesn't happen this time. Yay! It didn't. I'm going to use this coconut oil moisturizing cream that I bought and these cotton pads that I bought a while ago. I've bought this a number of times. It's quite soft and nice to use. So this is also something you can buy there, also $1. And then I'm just going to remove any dirt that's messed on my face. Okie dokie. I'm going to use my small eyeshadow brush and the black and brown colors that I used above and apply it under my eye and make it look all pretty. Take a little bit of the gold and put it at the bottom inner corners of my eye. I'm just going to use my cotton pad and the coconut oil and clean up slightly. Let's try another layer of mascara. I actually don't think that it works when you let it dry, but oh well. I'm going to put some mascara on my bottom lashes. Okay, now I'm going to quickly just have a look to see if there's any touch-ups that I need to do and then do those. I'm going to apply my black eyeliner onto my waterline. I didn't do this the last time, I forgot, so now I can do it. And now for my brows. I used this, obviously I didn't like it. I'm guessing I still don't like it, but it's all that I have. It's very waxy, so you put it on and it doesn't draw nicely at all. I'm going to do it again and just hopefully it comes out nicely. Like, look at this waxy, dry stuff it's giving off. Okay, so I'm just gonna be happy with these. They look fine, so before I do anything that messes it up, I'm gonna leave them alone. Finally done with the eyes for now. I'm going to use my coconut oil and cotton pad again, wipe off anything that's messed, and then I'm gonna start with foundation. So they didn't have a primer or a really good moisturizer at the dollar store. The closest, nicest thing that I could find was the coconut oil moisturizing cream. So I'm going to use that today as my primer and moisturizer. Once that is done, I'm going to use my yellow concealer for under my eyes and then the green for all my beautiful red spots. Guys, don't I look beautiful? Once you've done making yourself beautiful like this, you're going to use your foundation. And I'm going to use my little spongy thing and go over everything except for the eyes and the brows, obviously, and then hopefully make yourself look flawless. So I know that this foundation has a pink undertone to it, so it's going to look slightly funny on my face, but I do have powders which has a yellow undertone, which I'm going to put on afterwards. It's going to make it look slightly better. Please make sure to get your neck. I hate when people stop right here. You can clearly see you've stopped your foundation right there. Ladies, I know I'm not an expert, but I'm just saying, oh, it looks so terrible. So just bring it down slightly and try and blend it into your neck. I'm done with my foundation. I'm going to go over my face using my pressed powder and my contour brush. Time for some bronzer. I'm going to use the brown, obviously, from my contour kit and my contour brush. And then for some blush, also using my contour brush. So this stuff is very pigmented, so I have to like be very gentle. And now for some highlighter. I absolutely love this stuff. If you saw my AliExpress haul, the part 1, you'll see I have my makeup look on there, and the highlighter is, just watch. I don't know if you guys can see it, but oh, it's so pretty. Oh yeah, I want to try and contour my nose slightly. Last but not least, lipstick. I'm gonna use the light one first and then this maroon dark one. So my camera just died, but that's fine. I'm pretty sure you've seen a million people put lipstick on before. This is the lip color. I'm not 100% happy with it. I do wish there was more of a nude or a brown so that it could go with the look a bit better, but it's fine. At least you guys can see what it looks like when it's applied. And this is my final look for my full face using only Dollar Tree makeup. I can't believe I was able to do this with Dollar Tree makeup. Like, what? Firstly, the fact that you can buy makeup that only costs $1 each is like mind-blowing. And secondly, the fact that it works and that it looks so great after you've used it is such a bonus. I'm really impressed. There's some products that I really love, there's some that I'm not a fan of that much, and I'll definitely find myself looking at the makeup at the dollar store to see if there's anything else that I'd love to buy. Please don't forget to subscribe down below so that you can stay connected and see what I post every single Sunday. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye. That's really good, and then do any touch ups that was messing up the wing liner. I've bought this a number of times. See if there's any top shops. Once you've done beautifying in my YouTube channel using my crease brush to see if there's anything else that I'd love to buy.